Hi foodies, welcome back again. Today I'm going to show you a very special recipe. It's very close to our heart. This recipe originally is one of my uncle's recipes. Unfortunately, he's not with us anymore. He was a mentor, guide, support to all of us, a philosopher. Anytime we needed any help, any support, any guidance, we would go to him. He gave us some awesome advice. So I'm going to dedicate this recipe to him. This is his version of a shrimp pulao. Very simple, very few ingredients, but this is a very tasty dish. You will love it. Let me show you how he used to make it. Come on. We will marinate the shrimp. I'm using jumbo shrimp and we will season it with turmeric, ginger garlic paste and salt. Mix well and keep aside for about 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, we will make the masala ready. This recipe calls for more oil than regularly used. We will saute the onions until translucent. It takes about 7 to 10 minutes. Now we will season with turmeric and saffron, mixing in between. Saffron will give an awesome flavor to the masala. Now here we will saute the chopped tomatoes until soft, and for that we will add a bit of salt to fasten the process. Remember, we have added salt to the shrimp marination, so add it accordingly. Once that is done, we will add the tomato paste for a nice consistency and a slight tang to the masala. Now this is a spicy dish, so I am adding quite a lot of red chili powder as it will be mixed with rice later. Just a few ingredients for an incredible dish. We need to cook this further for the oil to separate. Perfect. Toss the marinated shrimp and mix well. Cook the shrimp on medium flame and you will see the oil separate. Looks great, right? If it cuts easily, then it's done. Nice. I have some of his pictures that I would like to share with you, so please take a moment. He was extremely intelligent and very well read. He was always hands-on and he built computers also with no prior computer knowledge. He loved to travel and enjoy life. He loved to wear crisp, laundered shirts and trousers, and we would always find him well dressed any time of the day. Like him, my aunt is also an excellent cook even at this age. Let's see the rest of the recipe. I have boiled the water and will season with salt and oil. Oil will help separate the grains when cooked. Bring to boil and then add the washed basmati rice to it. Water has to be more than double the quantity of the rice. So rice floats in the water. Cook about 90% and then we will cook the rest with the shrimp masala. It breaks but still has a crunch. It's ready to be strained. We will start layering right away, alternating with butter, rice, shrimp masala, then the rice and butter on top. Butter is needed for this recipe. Just a few saffron strands for the color. We will just cover for the butter to melt. Now garnish and decorate any way you like. Cook for about 10 to 15 minutes covered on medium flame and then we are ready to serve the pulao. He also translated Naneshwari in his version and it's available to read, and I have mentioned the link for the website below. And this video is my family's tribute to him. Look at the beautiful layers of the shrimp and rice. Looks great, right? Thank you for watching. Such a simple recipe, right? He loved to celebrate life, enjoy each and every moment. So please do try his recipe. Let me know what you think in the comments below. and I'll be bringing you such amazing recipes in the future. So please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on all the yummy recipes that I post in the future. And as usual, for this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you next week. Bye.